20 common phrasal verbs with let along with its meanings and examples.
Let down.
Meaning, to disappoint someone, to lower something. Examples: she felt let down when her friend canceled their plans. He let down the rope so they could climb up. Let in. Meaning, to allow someone to enter. Examples: she let the cat in because it was cold outside. The security guard let them in after checking their IDs. Let out. Meaning, to release something or someone, to make something larger. Examples: she let out a sigh of relief after the test was over. He let out his pants after gaining some weight. Let off. Meaning, to excuse someone from something, to allow someone to leave a vehicle. Examples: the teacher let off the students early for the holiday. He let off the passengers at the next bus stop. Let up. Meaning, to become less intense, to stop gradually. Examples: the rain finally let up after several hours. He worked hard and didn't let up until the project was finished.
Let on.
Meaning, to reveal or admit something, to pretend. Examples: she didn't let on that she knew about the surprise party. He let on like he was interested, but he wasn't really.
Let down.
Meaning, to fail to support someone, to lower something. Examples: his friends let him down when they didn't show up to help. She let down her hair before going to bed. Let go. Meaning, to release something or someone, to stop holding. Examples: she let go of her fears and tried something new. He let go of the rope and the kite flew away. Let through. Meaning, to allow someone or something to pass. Examples: the guard let the visitors through after checking their passes. He let the car through the gate. Let into. Meaning, to allow someone to enter, to share information with someone. Examples: she let him into her secret plans for the party. The door was locked, so he couldn't let her into the room.
let down.
Meaning, to disappoint, to lower something. Examples: he promised to help but let me down at the last minute. She let down the curtains to darken the room.
Let up on.
Meaning, to stop treating someone harshly or strictly. Examples: the coach finally let up on the team after they won the match. You should let up on him. He's already learned his lesson. Let in on. Meaning, to share a secret or private information with someone. Examples: she let me in on the surprise she was planning for his birthday. They let him in on the company's future plans.
Let down.
Meaning, to make someone feel less enthusiastic, to lower something. Examples: the movie let us down after all the hype. He let down the blinds when the sun was too bright. Let over. Meaning, to allow something to pass or be postponed. Examples: they let over the decision until the next meeting. She let the problem over for now but plans to address it later. Let go of. Meaning, to release something, to stop holding on to. Examples: he finally let go of his past regrets. She let go of the balloon, and it floated away. Let slip. Meaning, to accidentally reveal information. Examples: he let slip that he was planning to quit his job. She let it slip that she knew about the surprise party. Let loose. Meaning, to allow something to move freely, to express oneself freely. Examples: the dog was let loose in the yard to play. He let loose his feelings in the argument. Let fly. Meaning, to release something quickly, to criticize harshly. Examples: she let fly the arrow towards the target. He let fly with a series of complaints. Let down easy. Meaning, to reject or disappoint someone gently. Examples: she tried to let him down easy when he asked her out. He let her down easy by explaining the situation kindly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more videos on YouTube and Facebook.